Hi, I'm Dr. Indraniil Roy. I'm a specialist oral and maxillofacial surgeon and implantologist at Dr. Joy's Dental Clinic. So there are many different ways that you can replace missing teeth with, but one option stands out above the rest, which is dental implants. Dental implants come in variety of widths and lengths, and the perfect size is selected for you after taking a 3D CT scan. We plan the implant and the crown in such a way that it exactly fits your jawbone so that only you and your dentist will know which one out of all your teeth is a dental implant. I see many young patients who are very concerned about their smile after missing a tooth. Some are even wearing dentures, they have few or no teeth left. They come to us, we take a 3D CT scan, the next day we plan the surgery. In the morning the surgery starts, and by afternoon the patient is back home with fixed full set of teeth. It totally changes their confidence level. Patients often ask me, why not a dental bridge? Yes, a dental bridge is an option, but then we have to shave the adjacent teeth to take support for a dental bridge. In a dental implant, we are only working with the missing space which is already there. And once the implant is placed, it also gives support to your jawbone. So prematurely, you don't look old, in simple words. So if you're looking for a tooth replacement option, you should definitely consider Dr. Joy's Dental Clinics. We use the #1 dental implant system in the world with the best success rates. The expert in-house technicians will work very closely with me to give you the perfect implant crown which will make you smile. See you soon at your consultation at Dr. Joy's Dental Clinics.